Alright, so I think I finally got this breakup issue resolved. Okay, so I just did an oil change. I threw some new plugs in her. I gapped them properly, and just waiting for this shit to warm up. We'll let it warm up, and then we'll do a couple pulls, make sure it doesn't break up. Did a little crab walk. Look normal. IATs are normal. Coolant temps normal. AFRs seem like they were normal. Seem normal. I did a little third gear pull. I felt the traction control, so I didn't hear a breakup. I got into fourth gear a little bit. I didn't hear any breakup, but I did have to let out of it. But it didn't spin in fourth, and I didn't hear any breakup. Third gear did spin, but I didn't hear any breakup. I have traction control fully disabled with the cruise button on, so Honda traction control on. So those are the conditions. Sounded good. traction control, I had to turn the cruise button off to hit the anti-lag. So I did hear a breakup in third that time. So I think it's related to the traction control. So I'm gonna look at the logs. I did a really long log. So we'll look at the log and see if it dips into the traction control and that's what I'm hearing or what. Alright. My bad, man. I saw some cops. I had to put the camera down. But yeah, she did good, man. I forgot the last thing I recorded. I think I did an anti-lag hit and it was good. But then I had to stop. I did a couple more after that. So it seems like it's good. No check engine light. Didn't break up. So far so good. But it does this every fucking time, man. It'll fucking be fine, and then like after a couple days it shits the bed. It starts breaking up, doing all kinds of crazy shit. So we're gonna see. But it did not. We set the rev limiter to 7,400, but for some reason it won't get up there. So I think it's a hot data thing, or that's what Jake says. So we're gonna, I don't know, he said we're gonna dive into it on Monday. So well, that's tomorrow. We'll dive into it tomorrow. But other than that, it looks good, man. I think so far so good. So I don't know. I got you some footage, guys.